Hello everyone, and welcome to this in-depth tutorial on Traffmonetizer. In this video, we will go over everything you need to know about this platform, from how to sign up and use it to its earning potential and referral program. By the end of this video, you will have a complete understanding of whether Traffmonetizer is worth your time or not. If you want to try it out for yourself, check the link in the description to install Traffmonetizer for free and start making passive income today. So, what is Traffmonetizer? Traffmonetizer is a platform that allows users to earn passive income by sharing their unused internet bandwidth. By installing the Traffmonetizer application on your device, you grant permission for the platform to utilize a portion of your internet connection. In return, you receive compensation based on the amount of traffic routed through your network. Traffmonetizer is a legitimate platform that allows users to earn passive income by sharing their unused internet bandwidth. Unlike scams that promise unrealistic returns with little to no effort, Traffmonetizer operates transparently by partnering with businesses and researchers who require distributed network resources for various purposes, such as data collection and web scraping. Users can monitor their earnings in real time, and payments are processed through trusted methods. However, as with any online earning opportunity, it's important to read the terms and understand potential risks, such as bandwidth usage and privacy considerations. The data collected through your shared bandwidth is used by various companies for legitimate purposes, such as market research, AE verification, web testing, and content delivery. Businesses rely on such services to gather insights, test digital advertisements, and ensure accurate representation of their content across different locations. This makes Traffmonetizer an essential tool for companies looking to improve their online presence and security. The platform operates similarly to other bandwidth sharing services like Honeygain and Pawns.app, which also allow users to monetize their internet connection. The process is simple. After signing up and installing the software, the application runs in the background, routing a portion of your unused internet traffic securely through its network. The more bandwidth you share, the more you can earn. However, earnings may vary based on factors such as internet speed, location, and demand for traffic in your region. Traffmonetizer is designed to work on multiple devices, including Windows computers and Android smartphones. The platform ensures that users' data is protected and does not access personal files or sensitive information. While this is a legitimate way to earn extra money, users should always be aware of their internet service provider's terms and conditions to avoid potential issues related to bandwidth sharing. Let's begin with the sign-up process. Click on the link in the description to visit the official Traffmonetizer website. Once there, you will see an option to register. Enter your email address and create a strong password. After that, you will receive a confirmation email. Open it and click the verification link to activate your account. Now that your account is set up, let's proceed with installing the Traffmonetizer application. Log into your account and navigate to the Download section. Here, you will find different versions of the software for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Select the appropriate version for your operating system and download the file. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open the application and log in with your registered credentials. The software will start running in the background, allowing Traffmonetizer to use a small portion of your internet bandwidth. The more bandwidth you share, the more money you can earn. Your earnings will depend on several factors, including your internet speed, the demand for bandwidth in your region, and how long your device stays online. When it comes to earning potential, Traffmonetizer provides a passive way to generate income by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. On average, users can expect to earn around $29 per month, but this amount is highly variable. Several factors influence how much you can earn, including your location, internet speed, and the demand for bandwidth in your region. Some users may earn significantly more, while others may make much less. It is crucial to set realistic expectations and understand that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a passive way to make a small amount of extra income. Since Traffmonetizer operates passively, you do not need to actively engage with the platform beyond keeping the application running on your device. This makes it an effortless way to earn a bit of extra cash without dedicating time or effort. However, your earnings are limited by the demand for bandwidth in your area, meaning that even if you stay online 24/7, your income potential might still be constrained. If you are looking to maximize your earnings, one strategy is to install Traffmonetizer on multiple devices. However, there is an important limitation to keep in mind. If all your devices are connected to the same network and share the same IP address, you will not see an increase in earnings. This is because the platform counts multiple devices under the same connection as a single source. To truly maximize your earnings, you need to use different IP addresses, which means running the application on devices connected to separate networks. This could be achieved by using mobile data, different Wi-Fi networks, or even VPN services that provide unique IPs. Another key factor that affects your earnings is location. Traffmonetizer works best in countries with high demand for internet bandwidth. Users in regions where businesses and advertisers require more bandwidth tend to earn significantly more. On the other hand, if you live in a country with low demand, your earnings might be minimal, even if your device remains online continuously. Before investing time and resources into setting up multiple devices or networks, it is advisable to check whether your region has a strong demand for bandwidth. One of the best ways to increase your earnings with Traffmonetizer is through its referral program. This program allows you to earn additional income simply by inviting others to join the platform. When someone signs up using your referral link, you will receive 10% of their earnings. The more people you refer, the higher your potential earnings, making it a great way to boost your passive income. Since this is a lifetime referral commission, you will continue earning 10% of your referrals' earnings as long as they use the platform. This means that if you invite a large number of people and they stay active, you can generate a steady stream of passive income without doing anything extra. Unlike direct earnings from sharing your bandwidth, referral earnings are not limited by location or internet connection, making them an excellent way to scale up your earnings. To get started, log into your Traffmonetizer account and navigate to the Referrals section. Here, you will find your unique referral link, which you can share with others. There are many ways to promote your referral link. Send it to friends and family, post it on social media, share it in online communities, or even create content around it. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, you can leverage your audience to gain more referrals and maximize your earnings. Now, let's talk about how you can get paid. Traffmonetizer offers several payout options, including USDT, Payeer, Skrill, WebMoney, Payoneer, and Bitcoin. The minimum payout threshold is $10, which is reasonable compared to similar platforms. Once you reach this amount, you can request a withdrawal through your preferred payment method. Payments are usually processed within a few days. One concern many users have is security. Since Traffmonetizer requires you to share your internet connection, some people worry about privacy and potential risks. According to the platform, all shared bandwidth is used ethically for legitimate business purposes, such as market research and ad verification. However, some users have reported receiving warnings from antivirus programs when installing the application. This is common with bandwidth sharing software, but it is still something to consider before installing. If you have any concerns, you can contact Traffmonetizer's support team for more details. In my experience, it is always a good idea to do your own research before installing any software that interacts with your internet connection. If you are comfortable with the risks and want to give it a try, use the link in the description to sign up and start earning passive income. To summarize, Traffmonetizer is a passive income platform that allows users to earn money by sharing their unused internet bandwidth. While it won't make you rich, it can provide a small supplementary income stream with minimal effort. The platform runs in the background on your device, utilizing your internet connection to route traffic securely. Earnings depend on factors such as location, internet speed, and the demand for bandwidth in your region. One of the key advantages of Traffmonetizer is its referral program, which offers additional opportunities to boost earnings. By inviting others to join, you can earn a commission from their activity, making it a more profitable option over time. The platform supports various payout options, including PayPal, cryptocurrency, and other payment methods, ensuring flexibility when withdrawing funds. However, it's important to note that income potential is limited and varies significantly among users. Those in high-demand regions with stable, high-speed internet connections are likely to earn more. While Traffmonetizer is a legitimate way to earn passive income, it should not be relied upon as a primary source of revenue. Instead, it can be used as an easy way to monetize unused bandwidth with little to no effort. If you decide to try Traffmonetizer, use the link in the description to install it for free and start earning today.